Hey everyone, welcome back to Honest Try TV. Jason here, and today we bring you another Amazon product we got here. We're going to unbox it, review it, and see what we think about, and install it as well. If you're new to the channel, please subscribe, like the video, leave a comment down below. It is greatly appreciated, and let's move forward. We will start off with the unboxing of the IMBZBK screen protectors here, which we got for Nicole's Pixel 8 Pro here. You can see here, we'll be installing onto there. If you zoom in here, you can see that this is the 4-pack screen protector, Google Pixel Pro, case friendly, awesome. You can see here it says sensitivity touch, anti-scratch, anti-bubble, anti-fingerprint. Hopefully it's nice and easy enough to install. Look at the back right here. All right. Focus on excellent quality. Okay, hopefully it is fragile. Oh, let's pop it open and start the unboxing. Handy dandy blade. There we go. Pop everything out. Oh, there we go. So this is the 4-pack, so there should be 4. All right, everything's out. All right, here we go. So this is for the back of the cameras, for the camera screen protectors. There's 2 right there, 3, 4. We got some, I guess, installation cleaning kits, wipes and all that. Okay, cool, 4 of those, beautiful. And we got, okay, cool. Oh, this I guess goes on top there, instructions and 4 screens. And let's see here. For better installation, we strongly recommend that you watch the video. Just scan the QR code below. If the QR code doesn't work, we have an uploaded video on the link of our platform you purchased. You can watch as well. Okay, cool. But it basically, yeah, it gives you the instructions right there. We will follow these instructions step by step. Let's see what back here. Our vision is 100% satisfactory. Okay, cool. And there's an email address. Very nicely. I guess this goes here. So that is everything that came with it. Right there, beautiful. Thank you very much. Now let's move forward with the installation. There's a QR code if you actually want to, watch the video, but we will go off of the steps here on the actual manual. All right, step 1. Use the wet wipes to clean the whole screen. Use the micro cloth to dry the whole screen. Use the dust sticker to remove dust from the screen of the surface. Be sure to clean the screen carefully, otherwise there will be bubbles generated. Okay, cool. I wanted to give you little examples right there of all the 3 products to use. So let's go do all that first. So first thing we do, use the wet wipe. Wet wipe, let's go. All right, next thing is said, cloth. Here we go. Dry it all up. Next step, dust absorber. Okay, let's peel it off. Okay. All right, all done. Step 2, put the mounting face on the phone. Please note that the top should match the top side of the phone. Use the mounting frame to easily install the protection film as shown in the picture right here. Okay, cool. So let's check it out. Here is the mounting frame. It is a blue one instead of an orange one. And you can see right down there, it says frame for 8 Pro and top. So let's just place it on top there. I guess it's supposed to just snap. All right. All right, there we go. Nice and sturdy on there. And then we get a screen right here. There you go. Very good. You see it has a little tab right there. Number 1, 9H glass. So we will remove the adhesive here and then place it downwards. Let's go. Cool. All right, that was simple enough. Next step, I guess, there we go. It says, after installing the protector, you need to complete the following step. 1, open settings, open systems update. 2, open settings, open display, open increase touch sensitivity. And 3, re-record your fingerprint. We recommend the same finger recorder 2 times at different angles. Finally, you will get the perfect fingerprint unlocked experience. And you can see right there the settings as well. So there you go. Nicole hasn't set the fingerprint yet. All right, let's take out the frame. And you can see that there's some bubbles, but let's just remove them with our thumb. All right, there you go. It is fully installed now. I pushed all the bubbles out with my thumb, and it was easy enough, and it looks good. I don't see any bubbles. So the instructions were really good. Awesome. Let's see what else we have for the rear cameras now. So we have these here, and you can see that it's full glass. It just has like a black frame there, and there's one opening here. Let me get a little closer view. You can see that, but everything is encased in glass. Nicole doesn't want to cover up any of the lenses with glass because, you know, if there's any blurring or anything, the pictures might come out not so good. So we're going to leave this off, and there's actually no instructions on how to do the rear camera glass here. So I assume you just follow the same instructions, but with no mounting frame, you just got to do it carefully with yourself. But either way, we're not going to put it on, so let's move forward. And that's it, everybody. That is fully installed now. It looks good. No bubbles, there was bubbles originally. You just got to push it out with your thumb, but overall, looks good. And I hope it continues to protect this screen on Nicole's Pixel 8 Pro. You can find a link down below in the descriptions if you'd like to test out this screen protector yourself. Again, this was the IMBZBK screen protector for the Pixel 8 Pro off of Amazon. Link in the descriptions. If you are new to the channel, please subscribe, like, leave a comment down below, and I will catch you on the next one. Bye.